Hi, my name is Carol, and I'm going to be making you my tuna carrot cashew sandwich a little later. But first, I would love to show you what gets me cooking. It's this cookbook that I put together over the years. Some recipes I created and others are family favorites, and I would love to show you a couple of them now. This picture I took after making my mom's Italian raisin donuts. Now, she loved making them and giving them out to family and friends. And this picture here I took after making my grandma's prune kolaches. Now, I live just a few blocks away from my downtown Minneapolis Macy's store, where it's very convenient for me to walk over and get my kitchen supplies, like this bowl that I'm using to mix in all my tuna ingredients. And in here is 1 5-ounce can of well-drained tuna, 1 tablespoon Miracle Whip, and 1/3 cup of mashed carrots. I like using the canned carrots just because they're softer and easier to mash. Just make sure they're well drained. You could also use a food processor to quickly mix this all together. Then stir in 1/3 cup of chopped onions and 1/3 cup of lightly salted chopped cashews. And just mix that till it's all well blended. Now, what I like to do is to slice my homemade whole wheat ciabatta bread in half and spread some Miracle Whip on each side, and then add on some shredded lettuce. Now, I love using this cookie scoop that I got from Macy's. It's so versatile and makes it so easy to scoop up the tuna salad. Now, I like topping mine with just slices of cheese, but feel free to use any of your favorite toppings. Well, here's wishing you wonderful cooking memories from my Minneapolis kitchen to yours. And remember, Macy's keeps it cooking.